I believe in the power of positive vibrations. So I feel this Sarva Dharmasthal, where we have representation from almost all the major religions of this part of the country. And the other thing is this Sarva Dharmas, the location of Sarva Dharmasthal is such that there is a dense forest cover. So the sounds of the birds chirping and the peace and ambience which it generates, it's phenomenal. So I would rate it one of my favorite spots in SMIT. This Sarva Dharmasthal is the first thing you'll see once you enter the campus. This is the first thing or the first structure which is seen as you cross the main gate and come to SMIT. The other favorite spot of mine are these couple of gazebos which we have made. Just look at this place. Just look at the scenery and all around. Gazebo is a place where we want actually the students to interact beyond their classrooms, beyond the library, beyond the food courts or the fast food joints. You can just come. We have got the laptop and mobile charging points here. Have your discussions with your friends, do your project works together, but all under the overall ambience of Mother Nature. In this gazebo, you can work with your laptops, you can play with your phones, you can play guitar, sing along. You can do your project work together as friends. See, the idea is why we created this gazebos is we wanted the students to interact more. What was happening is students were after the classes they were moving straight to the hostel and all, or either they were going to the food courts and all. We wanted to create a place beyond the food courts, beyond the library, beyond the incubation center, a place under Mother Nature people can relax, gel, interact and become friends. Now I am taking to our Zen garden. So the best thing about this garden is it's located just next to my office. So whenever I am working late hours, whenever I am feeling tense, stressed and all, I love hearing the sound of flowing water. The best thing is this is totally designed by staff members from our own institute. So people might say we are wasting water. No, we are not wasting water, because what you actually do not see here is beneath this pond we've got a submersible pump which is pumping the water right up to the reservoir, and this water is being circulated over and over again. Our team also has been very creative. You can take a look. All these used Horlicks and Bonvita bottles have been used to create this lamp post. And the other thing what I like about this place is during summer times you see from the flowing water there are a lot of shallow pools being created. So many a times I have observed a lot of birds come during peak summer times to quench their thirst. This is the place. I'll not call it my personal favorite only, but this is a favorite for almost many of our students. So you can either sit here as part of the audience and enjoy the show, or you can be there and engage the audience. Now finally we are at the jewel in the crown of SMIT. We are at Marina, the indoor sports complex. If you go on your left hand side, you'll find your indoor swimming pool, you'll find your food courts, you'll find your basketball and badminton courts, you'll find your squash courts. But now, today morning I'm not going there. I'm going on the right hand side. I'll take you to a different place. I'm at my all-time favorite place. That is our world-class SMIT gym. As they say, all work and no play makes somebody a dull boy. So don't be a dull boy. Let's start the workout. We have a great set of trainers and their supporting team.
Welcome to SMIT. I am Dr. Rakesh Vishwakarma, Senior Sports Officer here, and here are my team: Mr. Arpan, Gym Trainer; Mr. Manish, Gym Trainer; Miss Monica, and Miss Karisma Patak, Sports Officer.
So it was a very satisfying workout for me. Now I am ready to take whatever the world will throw at me today. At the end of this video, the point I am trying to make home or drive home is, please ensure after your classes, after you've done your studies, your lab practicals and all, ensure you get involved in co-curricular activities. You can work out in the gym, play in the indoor sports complex, or go and join your music and dance and various dramatics activities that happen all through the day. At the end of the day, each one of you should be dead tired so that you get a beautiful sleep and all your tension, worries, anxiety, stress, everything goes away. Thank you.